Welcome to TechWonk Tutorials. In this tutorial you will know how to create an invisible folder on Windows. Today in this tutorial I will show you a way by which you can make an invisible folder in Windows without hiding it from others, although it will be visible once the area with the folder is selected. But this trick is pretty cool and you can use this trick to hide data in your computer without actually hiding it, or you can save your important documents in one of the hidden folder and keep it hidden from your siblings or anyone who uses your PC. So, just follow me up to make an invisible folder. First of all, download invisible icon from this link and save it somewhere. As I downloaded it at desktop. Continue watching. Type this address into browser address bar. Download this icon and save it anywhere you want. As I downloaded it to desktop. Continue watching. Next step. Now open up the Run box by pressing Win+R or go to Start menu, then type in char map and hit Enter button. Or go to Search and enter in Character Map and open it up from there. Continue watching. Now Character Map will be opened. Scroll down until you see the blank boxes between and click one of them, then click Select and click Copy button afterwards. Continue watching. Now go to the location where you would like to make the invisible folder and right-click New Folder, and in the place of name, paste the copied blank character by pressing Ctrl+V and hit Enter. Right-click on the folder and click Properties, then go the Customize tab and hit the Change Icon button. Now click on Browse button, search for the icon we downloaded in the very first step, then click Open and afterwards, press on OK in both of Windows. That's all. The invisible folder is finally made. Final notes. I had to link a invisible icon with the tutorial because for some users, blank icon in Change Icon window is showing a big black circle rather than the invisible folder. In order to fix that, this external invisible icon is the best way. For more privacy you can right-click on the folder and make the folder hidden by checking the hidden checkbox and pressing OK button. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe for more video tutorials.